Every week, developers release new tools and frameworks as open-source GitHub projects. In this weekly update, we look at top trending open-source GitHub projects this week, so you can quickly see what developers are building. These projects focus on AI agents, automation, data tools, and developer workflows. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Before we jump into today's project updates, here's a quick announcement for everyone. We've launched a brand new YouTube channel called AI Agent Studio, dedicated entirely to AI agent projects, tutorials, and tools. So if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest AI agent open source projects, learning how to build your own agents, or exploring cutting-edge agent frameworks, make sure to check it out. Subscribe now to get weekly videos, in-depth guides, and real-time project breakdowns. The link is right there in the description. Don't miss it. All right. Let's get into today's video.
Project number 1, Project AIRI, Framework for Building Interactive AI Assistant Agents. Project AIRI is an open-source framework designed to build interactive AI assistants that combine language models with tools and memory. It provides components for managing conversations, agent behaviors, and integrations with external services. Developers run it locally and configure models, tools, and data sources so the assistant can process inputs, execute actions, and maintain context across interactions. The system coordinates prompts, tool usage, and state handling to support agent workflows. This helps developers prototype customizable AI assistants. Explore the repository to build your own AI agent. Project number 2, Lightpanda Browser. Headless browser optimized for automation workflows. Lightpanda Browser is an open-source headless browser designed for fast automation and AI agent use cases. It executes web pages without a graphical interface, processes JavaScript, and exposes control through the Chrome DevTools protocol, so tools like Puppeteer or Playwright can connect. Developers run it locally or in containers to load pages, extract DOM data, and automate interactions. The system focuses on performance and efficiency for large-scale automation tasks. This helps developers run browser-based workflows reliably. Explore the repository to automate web tasks. Project number 3, OpenViking, Framework for Building Structured AI Agent Systems. OpenViking is an open-source framework that helps developers build AI agent applications using structured workflows. It provides abstractions for defining agents, tools, and execution pipelines that coordinate tasks performed by language models. Developers configure workflows that connect data sources, tools, and reasoning steps while the framework manages execution and communication. The system runs locally or on servers and integrates with model APIs. This helps developers build scalable agent systems. Explore the repository to create AI workflows. Project number 4, claude-skills, collection of reusable skills for Claude code. Claude-skills is an open-source repository that provides reusable skill definitions for extending Claude code workflows. It defines structured capabilities that Claude can use to perform tasks consistently across different environments. Developers include these skills in their setups to standardize actions and improve reliability when interacting with code and tools. The repository acts as a library of predefined behaviors that can be composed into workflows. This helps developers extend Claude code functionality. Explore the repository to add reusable skills. Project number 5, Scrapling, Web Scraping Toolkit for Extracting Structured Data. Scrapling is an open-source web scraping toolkit designed to extract structured data from websites efficiently. It processes web pages, parses HTML content, and converts it into structured outputs that can be used in data pipelines or AI systems. Developers run it locally and configure scraping logic to target specific elements and data patterns. The system focuses on simplifying data extraction workflows while handling common scraping tasks. This helps developers collect web data for analysis and automation. Explore the repository to build scraping workflows. Project number 6, AgentScope, Framework for Building and Evaluating AI Agents. AgentScope is an open-source framework that supports building, running, and evaluating AI agents with structured workflows. It provides components for defining agents, managing interactions, and connecting tools and models. Developers configure scenarios where agents perform tasks, communicate, and produce outputs while the framework tracks execution and evaluation. The system supports experimentation with agent behavior and performance. This helps researchers and developers study and deploy agent-based systems. Explore the repository to build and evaluate AI agents. Project number 7, Superset, Data Exploration and Visualization Platform for Analytics. Superset is an open-source data exploration and visualization platform from the Apache Software Foundation. It provides a web interface where users connect databases, query data, and create dashboards with charts and visualizations. Developers deploy it on servers and integrate it with data sources to enable analytics workflows. The system handles querying, caching, and visualization in one environment. This helps teams explore data and build interactive dashboards. Explore the repository to create data visualizations. Project number 8, minimind, minimal implementation of transformer-based language models. Minimind is an open-source project that implements a simplified transformer-based language model for educational and experimental purposes. It provides code that demonstrates how tokenization, attention, and training work in a compact setup. Developers run it locally to understand model architecture and experiment with training small models. The system focuses on clarity and minimal design rather than production use. This helps learners explore how language models function internally. Explore the repository to study transformer models. Project number 9, cmux Connection Multiplexer for managing multiple services on one port. cmux is an open-source tool that allows multiple network services to share a single TCP port by routing connections based on protocol detection. It inspects incoming connections and forwards them to the correct service handle. Developers integrate it into server applications to simplify networking setups and reduce port usage. The system runs as part of back-end infrastructure and manages connection routing transparently. This helps developers run multiple services efficiently on one endpoint. Explore the repository to multiplex network services. Project number 10, FlipOff, tool for generating flipped and transformed images. FlipOff is an open-source tool that processes images by applying transformations such as flipping and orientation changes. It takes image inputs, applies defined transformations, and outputs modified versions. Developers run it locally and use it in workflows that require quick image manipulation or pre-processing. The system focuses on simple and fast image transformations. This helps automate basic image editing tasks. Explore the repository to transform images programmatically. Project number 11, Nova, AI agent for automating YouTube workflows. Nova is an open-source AI agent designed to automate tasks related to YouTube content workflows. It connects language models with APIs and tools to handle tasks such as generating content ideas, managing workflows, and interacting with platform data. Developers run it locally and configure integrations to automate parts of the content lifecycle. The system coordinates prompts, tools, and execution steps to perform tasks. This helps streamline content-related workflows. Explore the repository to automate YouTube processes. Project number 12, Omes, workflow orchestration system built on Temporal. Omes is an open-source orchestration system that builds on Temporal to manage long-running workflows. It defines tasks, states, and execution flows that run reliably over time. Developers use it to coordinate distributed processes and ensure tasks complete even with failures. The system integrates with Temporal's execution engine and provides abstractions for defining workflows. This helps manage complex back-end processes. Explore the repository to orchestrate workflows. Project number 13, HandyMKV, tool for converting and managing MKV video files. HandyMKV is an open-source tool that converts MKV video files into other formats and manages video processing tasks. It reads video input, processes streams, and outputs files in supported formats. Developers run it locally to handle video conversion workflows. The system focuses on simplifying media processing tasks. This helps users manage video files efficiently. Explore the repository to convert MKV files. Project number 14. Trek tool for exploring and querying knowledge graphs. Trek is an open source tool that allows users to explore and query knowledge graphs interactively. It processes graph data and provides interfaces to navigate nodes, relationships, and structures. Developers use it to analyze graph datasets and understand connections within data. The system supports querying and visualization of graph information. This helps researchers work with knowledge graphs. Explore the repository to explore graph data. Project number 15. Fashion Features. Collection of temporal feature examples and patterns. Temporal Features is an open-source repository that demonstrates how to use features of the temporal workflow engine. It provides examples that show patterns for defining workflows, activities, and execution logic. Developers use it as a reference to understand how to build reliable workflows with temporal. The repository focuses on practical usage examples rather than a standalone application. This helps developers learn temporal patterns. Explore the repository to study workflow examples. Project number 16. Vite. Minimal implementation of Vision Transformer model. Vite is an open-source project that implements vision transformer models in a simplified form for learning and experimentation. It provides code that shows how image data is processed into patches and passed through transformer layers. Developers run it locally to understand how vision models work and experiment with training. The system focuses on clarity and educational value. This helps learners explore transformer-based vision models. Explore the repository to study vision transformer. Project number 17. Is-antibot detection tool for identifying bot protection systems. Is-antibot is an open-source tool that detects whether a website uses anti-bot protection mechanisms. It analyzes responses and behaviors from web requests to identify protections such as CAPTCHAs or blocking systems. Developers use it in scraping or automation workflows to understand site defenses. The system runs locally and processes URLs to return detection results. This helps developers adapt automation strategies. Explore the repository to detect anti-bot systems. Project number 18. Obsidian.Excalidraw plugin, drawing and diagram plugin for Obsidian. Obsidian.Excalidraw plugin for Obsidian is an open-source extension that integrates a drawing canvas into the Obsidian note-taking application. It allows users to create diagrams, sketches, and visual notes directly inside their workspace. The plugin stores drawings alongside notes and supports linking between visual and text content. Users install it within Obsidian to enhance note-taking workflows. This helps combine visual thinking with markdown notes. Explore the repository to add drawing capabilities to Obsidian. Project number 19. Junior. Developer Assistant for Debugging and Monitoring Applications. Junior is an open-source tool from Sentry designed to assist developers with debugging and monitoring applications. It connects with application data and provides insights into errors and system behavior. Developers integrate it into their workflows to analyze issues and improve reliability. The system processes monitoring data and presents useful context for debugging. This helps teams resolve issues faster. Explore the repository to enhance debugging workflows. Project number 20. CheevoPresence Discord-Rich Presence Integration for Retro Achievements. CheevoPresence is an open-source tool that integrates retro achievements activity with Discord-Rich Presence. It tracks gameplay progress and updates Discord status with current achievements and activity. Developers and users run it locally and connect it to supported services. The system retrieves achievement data and formats it for display in Discord. This helps users share gaming progress in real time. Explore the repository to connect retro achievements with Discord. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.